Good morning everyone. Today we are here to celebrate 151st birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also, sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay a tribute to him who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapons, non-violence, not only in India, in fact in the whole world. But this day is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence.
Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister, along with the President of India, gathers here to pay the tribute by offering flowers to his Samadhi. Also, his favorite song, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, is sung for him. All the schools, colleges, private offices, and government offices remains closed on this national holiday.
His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in a small coastal town of Gujarat known as Porbandar. In 1869, he was an honest man and truth lover. In 1888, he completed its law in the UK and shifted at South Africa to practice it. He has led to many important movements such as the Quit India movement, Civil Disobedience movement, and non-cooperation movement. Also, he started the Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha in 1930.
Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhi's principle of peace and non-violence and to educate and spur the present generation the contribution made by Gandhiji to make India an independent country.
Gandhiji, being such a great leader, wear khadi clothes. He never accepted British culture and always followed the old traditional culture of India. He always encouraged the people of India to have faith in themselves and fight for their rights. He asked the Indians to not to serve British and fight for the freedom. It is because of his devotion and struggle that the India is free birth today.
After 21 years, he started with peaceful civil disobedience or satyagraha. After coming back to India with Ahimsa, he fought for the freedom of India from the British rule. It is because of him and other national freedom fighters, India got freedom from 200 years of slavery.